What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. Yes, y'all see I got a whole different vibe today than yesterday because I was blowed, you feel me? I finally got that thing off, you feel me? And I guess this where all the metal was coming. Look, it ain't even adjusting. I'm gonna have to adjust this real fast though. So I got it out. Look how bad it done. I hope the new one will be okay, but this is what I took out. I ain't never, bro. Did y'all car come with this for my 4th gen, guys? Cause I don't know what this is. Look like a cylinder. Yeah, that's I don't know what this is. Now this is what they gave me. You know what I'm saying? Like it ain't even really have no seal on it. But of course you gonna put this in, then throw this in. You feel me? So it's gonna like, oh no, that's it in too easy. Oh no, that's how it's supposed to go. Okay. So of course you're gonna put that in. And this go right behind it. Feel me? Yeah, I don't know what the other thing was. Alright, got that thing going. You know what I'm saying? Leak free. You know me? I'm finna just put everything back. You know, reverse the video. Then I'm gonna show y'all how to put the fluid in the diff. And we gonna be done. Alright, so now it's back together. She's on the ground. I was so happy to drive her. Now, this side. I don't know if I messed that up or not because I got mad and I hit her with a hammer. So I don't know if I messed it up or if the seal is too small. They got 2 seals. You got a red seal, you got a green seal. So I think I need the red seal. I ain't never seen nobody run the green one, but I don't even know if that bearing like is the right one, to be honest. But it's straight, you feel me? But this right here is what came out, and it's on the other side too. I don't know what this is, but this what was originally in there. I wouldn't say use what I did, but it's the same method as far as how to change the seal and bearing. So use that method, but y'all gotta look for y'all own seal and bearing because I don't know. Yeah, man. So y'all messing with the video, man, please leave a like, share, and subscribe, and comment if I missed anything. Man, I'm happy. I'm finna drive. I'm out.